with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Northport, out in the estates. And today we're doing a pond clean out, and we're going to revamp the top of the pond here with some flagstone. This is what it looks like here. We already started cleaning. You can see all the little minnows that are in there, the mosquito fish, and there's some sailfin mollies in there. And we got clean this out here in the pond there. There's 5 turtles and 3 big koi inside the pond. This is what we're doing right now, getting everything drained out. I'm starting taking some of the old rock out and replacing it on the edging and stuff. And the owner Larry's out here. That's Larry. He's out here giving me a hand. He's a great guy, I can tell that. If you can see there's the turtles right there. There's 2 of them. The koi are in here hiding. There's some more turtles there. We've got another one hiding. Oh, there he is. The head's sticking up. This one's empty. But this is what we've got going on today. We're going to get all this cleaned up, get everything all vamped out so it's all nice. So when their customers come, it'll look nice for them. Well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and I hope everybody has a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.